Hey yo, what's up guys, this is Channe's Vaping here and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be doing a vape juice review. This vape juice I bought from Gamers X3. So yeah, I will be doing this vape juice review just to tell you guys if you guys should buy it or not. But any case, I just want to say thank you to Gamers X3 who did a very good service with me. He is such a good seller. He has a brand new vape shop that he just launched a few weeks ago. So yeah, I just want to say thank you once again to Gamers X3. If you guys want to know more about Gamers X3, go and check out these socials in the description down below. And yeah, let's just roll the intro and get right into the video. Okay, so let's just check what kind of vape juice that I bought. So this vape juice, I don't know if I think you guys must know about this tasting flavor. This one is mostly tastes like those pink bowls sweets. So if you guys want to get to this product that I have bought from Gamers X3, you guys can go in the link in the description down below to get a 5% discount of this vape juice. So this product is not very expensive. It's mostly about 189 rand for now, but if you guys hurry up quickly, it will cost now about 220 rand, and there will be delivery expenses as well. It depends just on where you live. I live in the Free State and it cost me 80 rand of delivery fee. So but if you want to get it cheaper, you guys can use the link in my description down below. You guys will see the listing over there. And then yeah, let me just show you guys what kind of vape juice that I have bought. So the vape juice that I have bought is the Pink Addiction. It has the original pink chalky powdered candy with added ice. So if you guys want to get to this vape juice directly, use the link in the description as well, so that you guys can get a 5% discount as well. The reason why I'm saying this is because you guys won't be disappointed when you bought this vape juice. Guys, this vape juice is so amazing. It feels like an angel's piece on your tongue. It tastes like more. You guys won't be disappointed. And there's only 6 bottles left of this vape juice, so hurry up before this vape juice ends up. But yeah, let's just have some very good tasting of it. I already have some vape juice in here, so let me just have some tasting and let's see how it is. Oh my gosh, guys, you guys won't be disappointed about this vape juice. Sure, let me just take another one. Damn it, guys, I really suggest that you must go and buy this vape juice, eh? You guys won't be disappointed in this one. You will never be disappointed. But yeah, if you guys want to get this vape juice, make sure to go to the link in the description as well. And then yeah, I just want to say thank you all for those who have watched throughout this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe, turn on those post notifications bell on for more upcoming vape juice reviews. I will be doing more vape juice reviews in the next few weeks. So yeah, let's just see how this video is doing. If I get about, let's say 30 likes, let's say if I get 30 likes, I will be doing my next vape juice review. And yeah, this is it guys. I just want to say thank you all for joining this video. If you haven't checked out my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe, turn on those post notifications bell on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.